Hey guys, I'm Carter and this is Colton. We're with Bent Metal Off-Road. In this video today, we're going to be talking about our Pro XP windshield. First off, I want to show you how easy this windshield is to install and just point out a couple of the key features on this windshield. Every windshield that we sell at Bent Metal Off-Road comes with AS1 laminated safety glass, and each piece of glass will come with a DOT stamp in the bottom right corner. The frame, the outer frame of the windshield itself is made from aluminum and it's been powder coated in a textured black finish. We have adjustable vents at the bottom to allow for airflow. These vents were powder coated in blue to match the accent color on this specific machine. When you order this windshield, you will notice several different color options for the vent sliders to match your specific machine. Now, one of the best features about this Pro XP windshield is how easy it is to install. The only mounting hardware needed are these 4 Velcro straps that come on the windshield frame. You can install this windshield by yourself, but if you have some help, it's always nice to have an extra pair of hands. So we're going to show you how to install this windshield. So what you want to do first is line up the windshield and mount the bottom first. The windshield frame will be almost vertical as you line up the frame on the bottom plastics of your hood. Once you have everything lined up, you can slowly lay the top of the windshield frame down. Check one more time and make sure everything's lined up correctly. Make any adjustments if needed. And then tighten up your Velcro straps. Cinch them down tight. Once the Velcro straps are tight on the frame, this windshield is secure, supported by the frame. No metal on metal contact with the foam weather stripping all the way around the outer edge of the frame. And you're ready to go riding. Okay, now that we have the windshield installed, if you have the Polaris aluminum roof without the light bar pocket, you can go ahead and install that roof through these holes already on the windshield frame. And most aftermarket roofs will mount the same way. But if you have the Polaris Poly Sport roof with the lock and ride clamps, or the Polaris aluminum roof with the light bar pocket, you want to make sure and remove these knockouts that we've integrated into the windshield frame before you mount the windshield. And Colton's going to show us how to do that.
So if you have the Polaris Poly Sport roof with the lock and ride clamps, you'll want to break loose these 2 smaller knockouts. One thing to mention while doing that is you don't want to accidentally break loose this big knockout, because that's only used if you have the Polaris aluminum roof with the light bar pocket. To break these loose, you can use a crescent wrench, channel locks, any pliers, anything to get leverage really. You'll want to start and break just 1 tab at a time while supporting this big knockout so that you don't accidentally break it loose. So now that we've removed these knockouts, we'll show you how to install it with the Polaris Poly Sport roof with the lock and ride clamps. You'll want to do like what we said in the beginning of the video and start with the bottom, get it buttoned up good. You'll want to lift the front of the roof up a little bit and lean the windshield back. You'll kind of have to put the windshield and roof down together for it to clear each other. Once it's all set, you can center your windshield and get it all set where you want it. Strap it in like we showed, and then do up your roof clamps. If you have the Polaris aluminum roof with the light bar pocket, you'll need to remove this big knockout. To do that, you'll want to support the corner of the frame to keep from bending it, and break one tab at a time, starting in each corner of the big knockout. Now that you've removed the knockout, you can mount the windshield on the machine.